Hi everyone, I am back with another video to talk to you about the Maracuja formula. This formula is a powerhouse. It's my favorite, although the rose formula was my first and the one I used the most, but I can say the Maracuja formula is my absolute favorite. Maracuja oil itself is rich in nutrients and essential fatty acids that are vital to your skin health. Linoleic acid in maracuja oil keeps your skin moisturized and helps repair that dry, flaky skin and acne-prone skin. Lycopene works with maracuja's natural vitamin C content to even your skin tone and promote that natural collagen. It is also rich in protective antioxidants such as lycopene that helps battle against sun damage, pollution, and other environmental stressors. This brings about a firmer, brighter, even skin and reduces those visible wrinkles. The grape seed oil in conjunction with the maracuja oil also works to even your skin tone. While evening your skin tone is also balancing that oil in your skin if you have, again, that combination skin or oily skin. It helps the vitamin E and C in your skin to be more efficient. It improves the skin's moisture and softness, giving it the ability to bounce back from anything. So I use the Maracuja formula differently depending on the time of the day. If it's in the morning, I usually use it after my moisturizer and sunscreen so it can lock in. But if it's at night, I typically just put it on after my toner because I use it as my nighttime moisturizer. So if you need to repair your skin while moisturizing, Maracuja oil is all you need. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment if you are. Also, don't forget to find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.